Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. Today, we'll show you how to create a flow to automate file movement. Let's get started. To begin, launch Microsoft Power Automate Desktop on your computer. Once Power Automate Desktop is open, click on New Flow to start creating your automated flow. Give your flow a meaningful name that represents its purpose. After entering the name, click on Create to proceed. Now search for Files on the left side under Actions. Open the file tree to access file-related actions. Next, drag the Move Files action and drop it into the middle space of your flow. Copy the source folder path, including the file name, and paste it into the Files to Move field. Do the same for the destination folder path. You can decide what Power Automate should do if the file already exists in the destination folder. Choose Do Nothings to skip the file or Override to replace it. If you wish to store information about the moved files, you can create a temporary variable. Once you've configured the Move File action, click on Save to complete the process. After the flow has run successfully, check the folders to ensure the file moved correctly. And that's it. You've successfully automated file movement using Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. Enjoy the time-saving benefits of automation. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.